Hey everyone, this is Mini Pitbull. Today I'm bringing you a video about artificial intelligence that totally blew my mind. So we're going to be uploading content, alright? About artificial intelligence because I believe and I think that it's not just the future, it's the present. And all these kinds of tools that we can use in our lives that can help us simplify everything, why not? Because time is money, right? Time is worth its weight in gold. If an artificial intelligence can do something in 5 minutes and a human takes 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, I think there's just no comparison. I mean, we just won't have to do it ourselves, all right? We absolutely have to learn how to do these kinds of things. So, to sum up a bit, the tool I was looking at in this case is for cloning images, making avatars, characters, and voices, but it clones your voice and your image at the same time. And a character talks to you. In this case, I'm going to clone myself. You'll see it. It's exactly the same. You can't tell the difference. But on top of that, if you want to clone yourself, make a video, and send it to someone else, you can do it. And you can even change the language. If it's someone who's Japanese and you want to talk to them, you take a video, edit it in Japanese, say the phrase you want to say to that person, and it does it for you. It's exactly the same. I really want you to see it because I was blown away. Let's take a look. What other options do we have here? Well, if you don't want to show your image and you'd rather make an avatar and customize it however you like, we have the option here to create a virtual character. You can upload it from a photo or create it however you want. It's really easy. You just type in the name you want. Let's make one up. Camilla. Roughly middle-aged, female, specify Asian American, and describe the character. Spectacular woman. Okay. Landscape, full body, the whole body. Realistic. Make it realistic so you can't tell the difference between an avatar created by someone and what could be a photo on an ID card. It's just crazy. In the end, I get that they'll have to regulate this somehow because you'll be able to do things that are borderline, things that people will say, you can't allow that. You just can't allow it. But anyway, since we're here to try it out, well, let's try it out. It's gonna take a little while, I guess, and let's see what it gives us. Supposedly, it says between 15 and 30 seconds. Let's see if that's true. Okay, let's see what it made for us. Well, with the data we gave it, it did what it thought was best. It tells me to choose from these 4 options which one I think I'll like the most. Well, a Pacific woman, a bit older. I don't know. This woman looks pretty good here. I guess I'll go with this one. Okay. But this is the avatar we asked for. And now it's loading Camila. Now we see here the editing percentage. Well, it's at 9%, and then it loaded all at once. That's not bad, because it's a real image. If you send this photo to someone else, they wouldn't know it was made with artificial intelligence. There's no way to tell. Who's to say this was made with AI? You can imagine now, I'm not going to believe anything anymore. And now, it's to add the voice, to put the voice on. Hello there, I am so incredibly excited that you're here. This is your preview of your voice clone. Go ahead and take a quick listen to this sample. A truly high quality and professional voice clone should always sound crystal clear, incredibly energetic, and remarkably natural, capturing every subtle nuance of the original speaker's unique tone and personality to ensure the final result is both engaging and authentic for any listener. Oh, the video's coming up. I'm going to make a video now here with Camilla, full-on video screen. But what I also wanted to show you was something else, the voices. It picked for me, I mean, from the voice I gave it, It gave me 3 options for the voice that could sound most like mine, and even in other languages. So from there, you get 3 options to choose a type of voice.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen. A great voice clone should sound clear, energetic, and just like you. Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview.
See? This one already has a different accent.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen. A great voice clone should sound clear, energetic, and just like.
Not there. Let's see. Improvise, get voice ID. You can copy the voice. What's going on? Then look. In the studio, here we can add any other video we have. No. The video. With Camilla? No, I don't want to do it with Camilla. I don't want to do it with Camilla. We can do another kind. With cinematics, for example. But see here, I think you already have to pay. Here's the paid option for 25 euros, if I'm not mistaken. Well, it's not bad if you're actually gonna use it. I mean, for 25 euros, you can make cinematic videos of yourself, like walking around the city, going to the movies, whatever. You can say, I want to be a world famous soccer star. I don't know. It'll do it for you. It'll make it happen. And then you can give yourself a look similar to these people here. Well dressed, in a suit, in tracksuits. There are different styles. I like this one, for example. I'd like to have this one, but no, also. And we'll be sending it created in the mode. Okay, so yeah, for the more complex options, it's already asking you to pay. I'm gonna think about it. I'll consider whether to pay, because honestly, it's not even that much money. If you're working editing, you're on the computer all day and you need time, and you can't spend all day recording and making videos and all that, this really simplifies things for you. I think it saves you a lot of time, and it really could be a great tool in that case. Okay, one of the things we have here that totally blew my mind, that's super cool, I was like, wow, this really is worth it, even if it's just to pay so you can download it and send it to someone or whatever. So you can make a video based on the battle that's made to your liking, and I don't know, you could say, for example, I'd like to play for Barcelona, and it can make you a video as if you were at Barcelona. Let's see what it comes up with. Let's see what it comes up with. And what image or video comes out? Because of course, brand system course lesson. Let's just leave it like that. Let's see. Everything automatic. Let's see what it comes up with. Well, I used this example, but I could have done another one. Your videos and others. Well, now it's creating it. Let's see. I guess this will take a little while, not too long, and as soon as we have it, we'll check it out. Alright, what do we have here? Oh my gosh, me playing for Barca. It's like a dream come true. It's a dream come true. In this case, I also set it to another language, so you can see that you can do all sorts of things. And let's see what it created, right? Let's see what's here. The data I gave it. And this one, let's see.
It says, hi everyone, I can finally tell you, I'm officially a player for FC Barcelona. It's a dream come true.
Here, it put the photo.
Field, the Codno. Ready to give everything for this club. I feel the support of all the fans. Visca La Barca. See you at the next match. This is just the beginning.
Wow, that's awesome. If you send this to someone, they'll freak out. Obviously, the person will say, what a show-off, what is he doing? But hey, you really get people with this. It's a prank, a really cool prank. Well, I've shown you more or less what the page is about. I think I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. And I'll get it. I'm almost sure. No, I'm definitely gonna get it because it's super cool. You can do projects, video projects, I don't know, even videos with family who come over to your house, do some editing. Well, I hope you like the video. I think it's really good. I mean, I looked really cool as a Barca player, playing as a footballer. But anyway, we'll keep uploading more videos about artificial intelligence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and a huge hug to everyone.